in fact, with mental disorder and mental disease as a whole, right? Things like apophenia, pareidolia, hallucination, psychosis, schizophrenia, they're all predicated on two senses. One is the sense of hearing and the one is the sense of visual. So let's talk about
being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps you embody music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So one idea of psychoanalysis and psychodynamics, which
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself